The Kindle Fire is a great budget tablet, but let's be honest, the lock screen ads, not exactly a vibe. If you've ever wanted to swap out those Kindle ads for a custom wallpaper, you're not alone. It's actually a huge annoyance. Here's the thing most people don't know. By default, your Kindle Fire does not let you change the lock screen wallpaper, unless you get rid of the ads. It's Amazon's way of saying, we subsidized your tablet, now look at dog food promos forever. So first step, pay to remove the ads. It's usually around $15. Go to Settings, My Account, Manage Your Device on Amazon. That'll open your Amazon account in a browser. From there, find your Kindle and select Remove Offers. Done. You'll know it worked when the lock screen shows some generic nature image without promos for shampoo or Kindle Unlimited. That's your green light to proceed. It's kind of sad that it takes money just to see your own cat on a lock screen, but here we are. Next step, find the perfect wallpaper image. Here's the pain point. Your Kindle Fire doesn't let you just set an image as wallpaper from the Photos app. No long press shortcut, no built-in option. This is where people get stuck. Save yourself 20 minutes of frustration. You'll need to download a wallpaper app from the Amazon App Store. I recommend something simple like Wallpapers HD for Kindle. These apps let you bypass Amazon's limitations and use custom images, including ones from your own gallery. No sideloading required. Once installed, open the app and browse or upload your image. Tap on your image and pick Set as Wallpaper. That applies the image to your home screen. But wait, still no lock screen update, right? That's because Amazon separates the two just to keep life annoying. To change the lock screen directly, you'll need to dive into the hidden system settings via the same wallpaper app, or, you guessed it, download a third-party customization tool. Apps like Wallpaper Setter, available via APK sites, allow that last piece of control. Now the pro tip here, resize your wallpaper to 800 by 1280 pixels before uploading. That's the Kindle Fire's native resolution. If it's off-size, Amazon's OS will crop or stretch it, and your glorious vacation photo will look like a potato. Trust me, I tested this with 12 images. Also, turn off auto-rotate in the display settings. Kindle sometimes rotates your lock screen during charging, which can make your wallpaper look sideways and cursed. When it comes to smooth visuals, one small toggle can save you head-banging frustration. After all that, boom. You've got a clean lock screen wallpaper that doesn't make your tablet feel like a sale flyer. What took 5 minutes to explain takes most people hours to troubleshoot because Amazon hides all the cool parts under layers of control. I'm Scott, and I live out in Portland where it's always coffee weather, so I change my lock screen to different latte art photos. Point is, make your Kindle yours, because if you're going to read 100 books on this thing, it should at least look back at you with a vibe.